Risk number 2 is being unprepared for the tsunami of emotion. The emotional tsunami includes several stages. In up to 90% of divorces, one spouse wants out of the marriage, but the other doesn't. This means that the emotional process for one is years ahead, when the other spouse is just realizing that there will be a separation. This creates a significant difference in their stages of the emotional divorce. The first stage of grief is denial, followed by anger. Now, the experts put divorce anger in its own special category because of its intensity. Divorce anger is defined as a special kind of anger, with extreme rage, vindictiveness, and overpowering bitterness. This intense divorce anger can be ignited or reignited at any time throughout the divorce process. Divorce anger can also impact your health. In one study, heart disease was linked with intense anger in 80% of patients. An 8-year study showed that anger and hostility doubles the risk of heart attack. There can also be immediate dangers due to anger and hostility. Divorce anger can also lead to violence. There are over 2 million incidents of domestic violence that require medical treatment each year. Experts say that as many as 6 million may go unreported. When children are involved, the violence spills over to them too. In 60% of domestic violence cases that began against a spouse or partner, children were later abused. Now, unfortunately, domestic violence is not rare. 1 in 4 women will be the victim of domestic violence. According to the Surgeon General, domestic violence is a leading cause of injury to women between the age of 15 and 44, more common than automobile accidents, muggings, and cancer deaths combined. A woman dies as a result of domestic violence about every 30 minutes. Most people don't know this, but there are over 100,000 men who report being victims of domestic violence annually as well. The emotional journey simulates a wide range of feelings beyond anger. The roller coaster includes guilt, ambivalence, confusion, resentment, and frustration, and each emotion causes chemical reactions in the brain. Now, we all know that emotions impact our reasoning. In fact, studies have shown that these stressful emotions double the risk of making bad decisions that lead to regrets. Now, if you think about it, this kind of makes sense, because stressful emotions decrease our ability to evaluate risks, anticipate what other people are likely to do, and predict how people respond to what we do. And yet, divorcing couples are making decisions that affect the rest of their lives at a time when emotions are stronger than ever, putting their futures at risk.